fruits are more hardy. They don't fall apart when they're ripe. They keep a little bit longer, and they taste really good frozen. They keep well.
Cut the bananas in half lengthwise. Okay. Peel the lumpia wrapper, which has been thawed out carefully so it doesn't tear. It's kind of strong actually. Okay, lay it down. Put 1.5 bananas at an angle, like so. Oh yeah, almost forgot that. Justin, teach me right, because I don't know, I don't want to insult the Filipino people that eat a lot of this.
Don't worry, he'll do that regardless.
What? I'm gonna do that regardless. Yeah, legs look pretty nice. Do I have to fold it over? Well, I'll just do it. And then we can try to... Voila! Next.
You tell if it's hot, right there, boom. No, see, too long. Nah, ready.
First one in. Yay! And it's quick and fast, right? About what? If you have the boil at the right temperature, it's about what? 5 minutes?
Oh, I've never timed it. I just look at it until it's done.
That's a sign of a good cook. You fry it just to a sizzle until it's golden brown like the third one. Looks yummy! Explain how delicious it is.
Oh no.
I was so jealous. I had to try it when I saw Justin eating his. The way he ate it was so delicious. I have to have one myself. I never had it in a long time. So now I'm going to try it with our own banana, our Thai apple banana. Justin, it's so good. Come on, friends. Come to the farm and have some. I'll make it for you if you come. After we're done cooking all of this, Justin's gonna make a caramel sauce with it, with the brown sugar. That's what he said. What? It's a caramel sauce, right? You said?
Candy.
Caramel candy sauce with the brown sugar. So you gotta wait for that. But in the meantime, this is so good, especially with this, what do you call it? Ambiance? Cut to ambiance and point to the camera. Eating our banana lumpia by the banana trees in the back of me. Eating it on the golf cart with the mountains, beautiful mountains in the background. So good. Eating my lumpia by the animals.
The Filipino lady told me how to do this.
Oh yeah?
When I asked them how to cook the bananas when we were selling them. I said, how do you make the caramel candy? She just said, take a little bit of the oil after you cook.
And then put the brown sugar. No. They don't put butter. You
can use butter. Like, yes,
oh, yeah. Oh man, that can be addictive. With the caramel on top. So good. Eat a vision. Justin can do it. You can do it. Do a very, very delicious dessert for your company after dinner.
The humbug with this tree though is that the trees fall over when the bananas get on top. For some reason they're not strong rooted and the racks pull the trees over very often. So you gotta prop them all up every time.
That's the junk part.
Well, that's what happens, you know, like with hybridization and especially the kind of plants that don't have seeds. These guys no more seeds, so you just keep inbreeding and inbreeding the plant, or selectively breeding the plant over and over again until it gets the desired genetics. But with that, you know, there's some give, some take, right? And I guess the take on this variety, the give is that it's resistant to disease, but the take is that the trees fall over, so you gotta prop them up.